Hello, good morning everyone. Yan, andito po ulit tayo sa ating portal. Yan, gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo to. Nakakatawa naman yan. Yan, di po ba? Yan yung mga kasama po namin sa IMG community. Yan, medyo napalampas ata. Yan. And then, ang mag-ina. Yan. Pero ito po yung gusto ko pong, and 22 years na rin po ang IMG. Yan. Ito po yung gusto kong i-share ngayon. Yan, ito po. Yan, itong IMG Gibbs. Yan, lakilakihan po natin. Yan, IMG gives easy access to give donation to the different foundations through NeuraCash. Yan, open po natin Yan. And then, sabi po dito is, nataklo ba nung aking, hindi ko makita. Yan. In the principle of no family left behind, we are committed to supporting the nation's development objectives corresponding to the changing demands of our community in order to stay current and responsive. Through IMG Gives, we reaffirm our dedication to uniting, focusing on giving, and having a positive influence on the lives of those within our company, communities, and nation. Your donations for your selected charities in IMG Gives program will be done through NeuraCash to make the process more convenient both on our end and for our chosen. Yun. Naiiba pala siya. Yan, kanina hindi siya gumagalaw. Yan, so dito na po tayo Each of us can make a difference as we have the chance to support a cause that is dear to our hearts. IMG Gives partnered with different foundations that will help create a great impact on our chosen communities to help them in their journey for a better future. Yan, ito po yung mga listahan po ng mga foundation. Yan, Anna Wim, Jeremiah, Ibon, ay hindi pala, Don Bosco Pugad, yan, Grace to be Born, Christ Cares for Cancer, Jesus Christ Cares for Cancer, He Cares Mission, Pag-asa ng Pamilya, Hail Mary, Prison Ministry, meron din po pala sila noon, Light of Jesus Pastoral Care, and Shepherd Voice Radio and Television Foundation. Yan. Pero ito po yung gusto kong abutan ng kaunting tulong. Yan. Ito po. Yan. Buksan po natin siya. Yan. Kung mapapansin nyo po dito, nakalagay po is choose an amount to give per month. Yan. And medyo nalalakihan po ako dito. Yan. So, tingnan ko po kung magpa-process po yung kaya ko po na amount. Yan. Yan, gusto ko lang po, ito po pala ay located at Sitio Tanag, Barangay Isidro Rodriguez, Rizal. Anna Wim, Home of God's Poor. Yan po. Sabi po dito, the organization is housing around 80 old age persons who were neglected and left to fend for themselves in their old age. They are seriously lacking regular health checks, clothing, and care, maintenance and emergency medication, and proper food and nutrition for sustained, decent, and respected living. Through the project, Anna Wim will provide daily meals, clothing and care, nutritious food, and also provide emergency and maintenance medicine. By this process, the organization will motivate, facilitate, and support the abandoned old age persons for sustained, decent, and respected living. At yung challenge daw po sa kanila ay old age persons are the pillar of any family, but now, primarily due to economic difficulties, the old age persons are seriously neglected in food, clothing and care, nutrition, health checks, etc. Generally, they are suffering from chronic illnesses, but they have no option for medicine due to lack of care and support of the family members. This is a serious problem that impacts the remaining years in their life cycle. At ito po yung solution nila. The organization will inform and mobilize as much support as it can to provide assistance to the old age persons in different forms, providing daily clothing, care, regular health checks, and providing maintenance medication is most useful for old age persons. In the meantime, proper food and nutrition is also equally important. The organization will initially provide daily clothing and care, and further support in regular health checks as well as medication. Kung mapapansin nyo po, yan, ito po yung 80 din po yung sinusuportahan po nila ng mga matatanda. Yan. At kaya sa maliit po na paraan yan, sa kakayahan ko, gusto ko pong mag-abot ng tulong para sa kanila. Yan. At tingnan po natin na kung magpo-proceed po siya. Yan. Okay. Try po natin na. Yan. And the next step, anin ko po na yung Neuracash. Yan. Bali, Neuracash po yung gagamitin ko. Yan, next step. Yan. Ayan po, nag-proceed po siya. Yan. Nakakatuwa naman di po ba na bilang IMG member. Yan. Yun. Ito po, 50 pesos yan. At nakalagay po dito, IMG gives support to 80 abandoned elderly house in Anawin. Yan. At today po yan. At mamaya po ipaprocess ko po siya. Yan. Nakakatuwa po di po ba na hindi lamang puro pag-iipon yung tinuturo po sa amin ni IMG. Kundi tinuturuan din po kami na sa maliit po naming paraan, sa aming konting kakayahan na meron kami ngayon, pwede po kami makapag-abot ng tulong. Yan di po ba kaya? I am so blessed to be part of this community. Yan. Thank you so much everyone and have a great day.